guys, happy Sunday, happy new month, and happy new vlog. There's so many happy things happening, so I'm going to start the vlog here. And I hope we all have a wonderful week ahead and weeks to come and months to come, and what have you. So peace out. Oh guys, I love this earring. Please don't mind my phone's hair. It's chopped in babes. So guys, before I go, I just wanted to show you how beautiful the morning, the sky and everything is. Yo guys, let's appreciate this beauty. Like as weird as it may sound, but like whenever the sky is so blue and then the clouds and then the trees, it just looks so nice, right? Look at that. Beautiful, honestly, so fine. Okay, let me do. Hello guys, good evening. Today is Monday, the 4th of July. So I'm making dinner right now, and it's just veggies, chicken. I will just show you the ingredients and how the process of making it. So I'll see you guys. So my ingredients are ready, guys, so let me show you. Okay, so I have my veggies ready: tomato, blended pepper, some sausages, and what's it called, chicken. So I'll show you the process right away. Got it in a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we want me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be. If I want you, take for granted. Yeah, 'cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah, well, we bout it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only. Hello guys. I wanted to. So I wanted to gist you guys of my predicament. I edited a vlog. I edited a vlog. Was careful about the background music and everything so that I won't have copyright strike. After everything, I uploaded this vlog. They still gave me copyright strike. This vlog thing is stressful. So like, I don't even know. I don't know, but thankfully, like, I was able to recover some of the videos because I almost deleted everything, because I'm using my phone to vlog. So I was able to recover some of them, and very soon I'll upload the vlog today. By God's grace, I'll upload it today. So we're going for just evening drive with my mom. Shout out to the best driver in the universe. Say hi, ma.
Hi. Love you.
Say I love you. Love you too, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to go and pay for guests. Wow, that's good. It's the noise. Big, guys. Good morning. I was asked to come here. Guys, look at this cutie. Where are you running to? Come now. This dog is very shy. Hello. Come. Hi. I wish you give him Freddy. His dog is so cute. Catch him! Catch him! Ewo! Is it my leg you're catching like that? Is it my leg? Is it? Guys, this bird, or rather that bird, keeps coming every single day for almost a week. I think he's fascinated by the mirror because it's like reflecting his image. Isn't that a... Hi guys, good afternoon. So I went to go and get, why am I smiling sheepishly? I went to go and get chicken wings. I've been at spicy chicken. I just came back, so here to show you guys first and let you guys know that the vlog is going to end here. Thank you so much all for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I told this lady 4 pieces. Is it 4 or 3 I'm seeing? Anyway, she didn't even give me the ketchup. There's love in every piece. There's no love without any ketchup, and there's no ketchup at all.